Good morning, everybody. It is Austin, and today we are taking a really long drive to get something picked up. If you guys guessed the word, we'll see it. It might be in the thumbnail, but mutton was that hint word. Hey guys, we're taking a really long drive down to San Antonio to pick up some mutton. All right, let me show you what we'll be driving today and the trailer that we have. Hopefully it's enough. It should be. It's a Ram, guys. All right, so we have up here, I believe it's a 2022. Again, this isn't my truck and trailer, guys. This is Auto Auction Rebuilds. He did give me the ability to use this truck and trailer to go pick up the mutton. So we have our Power Wagon 2500 heavy duty. All right, we have the Hemi 6.4 liter in there. Really nice, all packaged out. I'm gonna enjoy it. My fiance is gonna enjoy it. We have our custom trailer sales OKC trailer with a winch, just in case we need it. Hopefully we don't. This trailer does tilt. I still need to check the tire pressures before we leave this morning. Nice and cool still. So I think we're ready. Got some tools and an impact. I got a tarp because we'll need it. Maybe grab some straps too, just in case. You guys will see why. Clothes and stuff in the back seat. Our seats, and we're gonna need a full tank of gas on this one, guys. I think we're sitting at like 6:15, 6:20. It's time to leave. We'll be back home. We'll be back home soon. We're never going to McDonald's again in this truck. I'm parking. Jesus.
What just happened to us, D?
We went around the building once. Yep, okay. So, oh wow, we could take the trailer through the drive-thru. Don't take a trailer through a drive-thru. Never doing that ever again. I'm parking.
But I didn't have to get out of the car.
I did. Alrighty, so we made it with the truck and trailer down here to San Antonio, Texas. We got it jammed in here pretty good. Hopefully nobody comes and tries to take it. We do got locks on our trailers and the cone so nobody hits it. Guys, this Ram did a really good job at getting us down here. The fuel economy, it is what it is. I mean, we're talking about a 6.4 liter Hemi. On a 2500 platform. So, I mean, you win some, you lose some. It's gonna chug some gasoline. Really torquey monster though. With that said, tomorrow, guys, we are gonna get some mutton. Again, that is the hint word. To give you guys a little extra hint, it's another Ram, okay? I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Again, we'll be seeing that truck, both of us at the same time. We purchased it sight unseen. So, yeah, we'll have to flip up the tow mirrors. Okay, there we go. We'll do that in the morning. We don't want nobody breaking these mirrors off of this really expensive truck that I couldn't afford. Again, thank you, huge thanks to Auto Auction Rebuilds for letting us take the truck and trailer down here to San Antonio, Texas. Guys, Oklahoma City to San Antonio, decent drive, okay? Decent drive, 7.5 hours with a stop or two. Lunch, gasoline, about $160, $170, $160 down the drain, or in the tank. Not down the drain, we got down here. So I'm gonna get going. I think we're gonna go walk the Riverwalk because we're not that far. We'll go check out the Alamo, a couple little video clips from that, and then we'll get to Copart in the morning, and I'll see you guys there. So let's go have some fun on the Riverwalk. So we made it out here to the Copart lot. We got the truck running. It is a little warm out this morning, but I'm looking forward to showing you guys this truck. Hopefully it is what it is. I mean, we know what we won. Now we just got to see that everything's still there when we get it brought, or when it gets brought out to us. Big lot out here, guys. This thing is massive down here in San Antonio, Copart. Might be a little bit before we get the title and stuff. The wait time was a little bit longer, but they got some interesting things out here. They got some Ford Explorers, police. It looks like they got a couple Chargers, Challengers down there, a couple older cars, newer Mustangs, stuff like that. So I think Randy might need to come take a look at this place. There's a lot of stuff out here, a lot. Now, that's if it's worth it to him. Honestly, San Antonio, really nice. I enjoyed it. The hotel we stayed at, perfect. We were able to lock up the trailer. Obviously, we still have it here. So I think we're good to go. Can't wait to see the truck, the Mutton, when it gets out here. And hopefully you guys will understand why I purchased it, and I'll explain it a little bit more at the end of this video. So I'll see you guys when they bring that truck out to us. This guy, this forklift driver right over here, he just let me know that he's gonna go grab that for us. So I'm excited to see. I know what we're getting. The real question is, do you guys know what we are getting to put on this trailer right here? I'm excited. I see him picking it up right now. Can you guys see that over there? I don't know if you can, but it's coming. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely some mutton, guys. A little overdone. That is going to be the project name for this. It is going to be Mutton, okay? But I will say, guys, we're not rebuilding the whole thing, so just keep that in mind when it comes around the corner over here. We bought it for some special parts off of it, okay? Engine bay didn't look too fancy, but everything else I think we can save. There we are. Oh man, that front tire looks maybe a little more crispy than I wanted it to be. Look at that, guys. Nice. Another RamCharger. I know, what are you gonna do with another one, Austin? That's the real question. I don't know either. But once we get it up on the trailer, I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about it. It's kind of wild. Here she is, the Mutton, the RamCharger, guys. We got ourselves a lift kit on this as well. It looks like it's a skyjacker, most likely a 6-inch. Got some nice, these tires look almost brand new. That other one over there might be a little cooked though. But back bumper, amazing. This is a Texas vehicle. Not too much usable parts. I can save these lowers for mine. A little bit of heat damage, not too bad. Yeah, I ain't gonna open up. This tire, yeah, she'll need to be replaced. She's a little cooked on this one. Oh yeah, man, look at, this one's like a brand new tire. BF Goodrich is on there. It's Mud Terrain PAs. See, can we see a date on here? Yeah, I don't see one. It's got some lockers on it. I guess those are Mickey Thompson MTs, nice, okay. But yeah, look at that. I love how they've welded this into the 4x4 transfer case, skid shield. Looks like the tank might still be good. Guys, I think this was a good buy. I really do. Alrighty, got these nice big fancy winches on here. It says Ramsey. Yeah, Ramsey. Now, is that the winch? I don't know, guys. I don't know too much about winches, but we got one on the front and running the back bumper. Under the hood. Now we're gonna have to strap down the hood too. It's a little cooked. I think the fire started in here for sure. Again, we don't need anything from inside there at all. I don't know, man. Bumpers, definitely worth over $1,000, guys. Lights, not too bad. We could wire up some new ones, put some new ones in there for sure. All right, let me strap this thing down and let's get on the road. We got an 8-hour drive back. All right, so we made it to our next stop, which is the IKEA, guys. Not my first place, but she's like, you know, if we're going so far to pick this thing up, I want something from IKEA, so make her happy. Let's catch up and let's go inside. I'll save you guys from the IKEA stuff, but I thought to let you know. Come up to the one place that everybody needs to go to in Texas, Buc-ee's. Was not gonna make this trip without going to Buc-ee's. This place is insane. I gotta pay attention.
In 900 feet, turn right.
We're clear. Look at this, guys. It's Buc-ee's. Let's go. Let's go check this place out. All right, entering into Buc-ee's. This place is busy. Wow, there's a ton of people in here. Holy moly. Now that is some Buc-ee's merch. Yes, I think we need to get something.
Glass.
Oh, wow.
Plastic.
Hey, quality products here at Buc-ee's, I guess. I don't know. I've only looked at like 6 things.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Jeweled and everything. Are you sure we can't get a Buc-ee's mug? Ah. So I will say, and we didn't record this earlier because we wanted to get out of there. It was busy. But man, these pulled pork sandwiches are amazing from Buc-ee's. Would recommend. 10 out of 10. Sweet tea, 6.5 out of 10. But we need to focus on the road, and we'll see you guys when we get back home. All right, so it is the next day. We did make it back, not super late, but late enough to make us just want to get everything inside and, you know, get ready for today. Had work, so that's why I got the bags under my eyes. Still a little tired. Got a couple things left we have to do. Double check, make sure we got everything cleaned out of the Ram, the 2500, 6.4 liter. Gas mileage, guys, on this truck. Going down there, we were getting 12.5. Coming back, we were getting 9.9, just on the edge of 10. We were not expecting I wasn't expecting the amount of money that this truck was going to request of us for gas prices, or for gas and the prices related. I'm glad that Buc-ee's, oh man, that was a nice place. Buc-ee's was $3.99. Best gas prices we've seen the whole trip, so I'm not complaining there. But yeah, I wasn't planning on that much money going into just gas. Some of it understood, that much not really. But we got better things to focus on, getting this Ram off the trailer and going over the parts that we're going to be taking off of it and cost of stuff. or I would say the cost of the items that we can get off of this truck and what we're going to be using on my RamCharger. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.